Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's lemon cheesecake cooked in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, we're going to steam a grain-free, gluten-free cheesecake in the Ninja Foodi. We're going to make a small cheesecake this time, and this is the pan that we're going to be using. It's only really quite small. We have greased it very well with butter, and now we're going to line the outside of it with a double layer of foil so that it doesn't leak into our Ninja Foodi. So just turn it upside down. Tie it with either string, or you can use a rubber band just to hold that in place so the filling doesn't get out into the steaming container. Okay, now that's done, but we want to make sure that it's easy to lift out. So I've got a piece of parchment paper here, or baking paper, and we're going to just fold it several times and work out where the middle is roughly, which is about there, and then just cut it around in a circle. Should be a circle, and that should help you, well, give or take a circle, more like an oval, but it'll do the job. And then just tuck it down there in with our butter. Now that will make sure that your cheesecake will release from your pan. Okay, now we have some room temperature cream cheese, we have some condensed milk for sweetening, we have some lemon zest, which is very, very finely zested off the lemon. That's going to flavor our cheesecake. A couple of eggs to help it set, and some lemon juice, just of our trees, that are also going to help it to set. So we just put this to one side. We're putting our foodie onto the steaming function, and I'll just get that started. It can be heating while I'm preparing the mixture, which won't take very long. So we've just got some hot water here. We're just going to put it onto the saute function, and that will be turning into steam on high, and then start. Now to our bowl, we're just going to add our room temperature cream cheese and our lemon zest. Now the fat in the cream cheese is going to emulsify with the oils in the lemon zest and permeate all the way through the cheesecake. It'll be delightful. Don't leave a step out because it's really quite important. Okay, now we're just going to mix our cream cheese until it's nice and soft and creamy. We're not actually adding any sugar to this. The condensed milk will be the sweetener, and the condensed milk and lemon juice mixes together and causes it to set even better. We will be scraping down the sides from time to time, and we don't want to whip this up into a frenzy. We just need to have it well combined, otherwise it'll be aerated and quite bubbly, and we want it to be quite moist and dense. So okay, after a few seconds, this is what you should have. Scraping down the sides, making sure all of our lemon rind is all in amongst our cream cheese, and we're going to send in the balance of our ingredients, which is 2 eggs, our sweetened condensed milk, which is about 200 grams, about half a can, and our lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Don't use the bottled stuff if you can help it. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined and the colour is all even. Okay, we've got a nice smooth consistency now. We're just going to remove it from our stand mixer. We've just scraped down the sides a couple of times to make sure that we don't have any unmixed mixture. And now our foodie has come to temperature, and we are going to pour our mixture straight into our pre-prepared tin. Tap it down on the bench so that it expels any unwanted air bubbles. Now this isn't going to rise at all. There's no reason for it to. There's no leavening in it. And you must cover this. We're going to steam it, so you must cover it. If you don't cover it, it's going to get quite soggy and gooey on top. It's not going to brown, but there is a way around that because the foodie will actually brown the top of it if you wanted to. Put that down. You can make another little tent for it if you like, out of the same method I showed you that we line it with, or I have a silicone pot cover here, and I will be using that. All it's got to do is keep the moisture from falling down off the lid into the cheesecake. All it has to do. And that is going to be perfect for that job. Now we have to lower that carefully into our foodie basket, and I'm going to be using this little silicone thing because it's got handles in it and allow all the moisture to drip back through, and it won't be too tall. So you can just carefully pick it up and pop it into your foodie basket. Then we put the pressure cooker lid on it, not the air fryer lid on it. Carefully lift that in there like so. Tuck the little handles down the side so that they don't go up and get near the element. Okay, I just got that thing from Kmart or somewhere. It's only really cheap. And we're just going to steam it on the steamer function for 15 minutes. Okay, put our pressure cooker lid on it and line up the little arrows, the vent over to seal, okay? And we're going to put it on the steamer function for 15 minutes and press start. While it's coming to temperature, the little arrows go round and round and round in circles to let you know that it's coming to temperature, and I'll tell you how long that takes. Once it has come to temperature, we will then have a countdown of 15 minutes. Okay, the Ninja Foodi has taken 4.5 minutes to come to temperature, and it's now counting down from 15 minutes to 0, after which time it will just automatically keep warm, and this machine will actually keep it warm for up to 12 hours. Now obviously we don't want to do that with our cheesecake, but it'll keep it at a food safe temperature for up to 12 hours. It won't reheat food from cold on the keep warm function. You must already heat that first and then it will keep it warm on the keep warm function. The Ninja Foodi has a 12-month warranty and a 1400 watt motor. We're just going to release the steam. After 15 minutes it's done its cooking. It's now on the keep warm function. We don't want to keep cooking it. We're just going to release the steam and then remove the pressure cooker lid. Okay, we just remove the pressure cooker lid now, turning it away from our face so that we don't get steam in our face, and allow the excess water to drip away from there. And now we're just going to pat dry the top of the little silicone container because we don't want that water to get into our cheesecake, and we're going to lift it out with the little silicone handles. We'll just fetch that out of the little hole that we've tucked them into. Okay, and we're just going to carefully lift that out and leave it covered to cool with the lid on it. Now this will have to be chilled before you can use it. And once it's down to room temperature, we're going to pop it into the fridge to completely set it. Okay, room temperature now, and into the fridge we go to completely set. Okay, we just put a little dob of our homemade lemon curd on there with a little wedge of our lemon. It's so tangy and creamy, dense, rich and moist. I hope you enjoyed this cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho's Ninja's Foodi Lemon Cheesecake. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way this has turned out. We'll give it a little taste, shall we? See how dense and creamy that is. So soft and moist, very tangy, absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching.